Hello, dear students. I'm Shalaka Deshpande, Assistant Professor, IT Department. I have completed my ME in Embedded Systems. Welcome to the first lecture on Artificial Intelligence. So, let's get started with the lecture. Let me share the screen. So, in this topic, I'm going to introduce you to artificial intelligence. Now, this field, artificial intelligence, is new and it is having variety of applications in almost all the fields. This is being used to automate the process which humans are doing. Okay, so the definition of artificial intelligence is science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. म्हणजे जी मशीन असते ती इंटेलिजंट बनवली जाते म्हणजे मशीनला इंटेलिजन्स इम्पार्ट करतात ह्युमन बीइंग्स ओके सो दॅट इज बेसिकली the machine which behaves like a human being in the particular situation. How does it behave like a human being? Now every machine or agent, now what is agent we will see as we will go ahead. Every machine consist of hardware and software. In software, we are embedding few programs, and we are embedding after embedding programs, we are imparting intelligence to that machine. Okay, so in this way, it is science and engineering of making intelligent machines. Okay. So AI is relevant to any intellectual task where machine needs to take some decision or choose next action based on current state of system. In short, act intelligently. So in AI, the machine is doing intelligent tasks. Okay, it needs to take some decision. Means it is having thinking power like human being. Okay, in a particular situation, it is taking a decision. Okay, and according to the situation, it is planning next move or next action. Okay, so in short, machines are acting intelligently like human beings. Okay, so first, there is a study of a human mind, how the human mind works, and accordingly, the machines are designed. In simple words, AI system works like a human brain, where machine or software shows intelligence while performing given task. As I told, the software shows intelligence by performing a given task. Okay, here the machine is compared with the human brain. Okay, because the machine is designed considering the functions of human brain, how the by observing the human beings behavior and thinking pattern of human beings, we are imparting intelligence to the machine. So acting humanly, next topic, acting humanly, the Turing test approach. Okay, now to judge a weather system can act like a human, Sir Alan Turing designed a test known as Turing test. Now there is a machine or a system, we want to know whether it can act like a human being and how much we are successful in making machine which is almost behaving like a human being. Okay, so for that, the Turing test is designed by Sir Alan Turing. Okay, so what is basically a Turing test? In Turing test, computer needs to interact with a human interrogator by answering his questions in return format. There is one human interrogator. He is asking questions to the computer and computer is answering those questions in the return format. This is a procedure of the Turing test. Computer passes the test if a human interrogator cannot identify whether the return response are from person or a computer. And that computer is passing this test. Means the computer is successful in the Turing test. If that human being who is asking question cannot identify whether this is a person or whether this is a computer, means the human interrogator thinks that he is talking with another human being, means computer has passed the Turing test. So to pass the Turing test, computer should possess following capabilities. First is natural language processing, NLP. Now this is a unit inside the computer. It enables computer to interpret English language and communicate successfully. So because of natural language processing unit, computer is able to understand the English language. Now, obviously, I'm talking with you in English language. If you know English language, then only you can communicate with me. Then only you can understand what I'm speaking. Similarly, computer should also interpret the English language because human interrogator is doing conversation in the English language. Okay, so this natural language processing unit enables the computer it enables the computer to understand that English language. Okay, and hence it can communicate successfully with the human interrogator. Next is the knowledge representation. This unit is used to store knowledge gathered by system through input devices. Now there are various input devices in the computer. What are the input devices? Keyboard, mouse, these are the input devices. And what are the output devices? Screen, printer, which is attached to computer, is output device. Okay, so the input is given and knowledge is stored in the memory. Okay, so that is knowledge representation. It is gathered by the system through input devices. Okay, knowledge representation. Now automated reasoning, this unit enables to analyze the knowledge by taking current input from the environment. Knowledge is stored in the system and new inferences are made by machine to answer the questions. Now here in automated reasoning, knowledge which is stored inside the system is analyzed. Analysis of knowledge is being done. And after analyzing the knowledge, okay, new inferences are made by machine to answer the questions. Means whatever the questions which human interrogator is asking, first the computer scans the database memory and according to the solutions which are corresponding to that particular question, the computer responds. That is automated reasoning. Okay, next is machine learning. This unit learns new knowledge by taking input from environment and adapts to circumstances, thereby enhancing knowledge base of the system. Means system is taking inputs by using sensors, okay, from environment, and as environment is changing, system is also adopting to those new inputs. As environment is changing, inputs will change, and as inputs will change, system has to adopt to that circumstances. And because system is capable of adapting to that circumstances, knowledge base of the system is enhanced. Okay, so that is machine learning. Now this is a diagram in which we have the figure where capabilities possessed by computer to pass the Turing test. We have discussed almost all the factors. Now let's see what is computer vision. Computer vision is required to perceive objects from environment. Means whatever the objects are there in the environment, whatever a tree, mountain, buildings, these are the things which are the part of environment, which you are observing in the environment. So how do we perceive this? With, in case of human beings, with the help of eyes, but computer vision is having some sensors to perceive the objects in the environment. Okay, so basically it perceives the object in environment. And after that, next is robotics. Robotics is required to manipulate those objects. Okay, means robotics is used to manipulate or respond to environment by manipulation of the objects. Okay, so this was about the introduction to artificial intelligence. I hope you have understood this lecture. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.